Bombay Brasserie isn't just about enjoying delicious meal. It's a masterclass in personal branding through food. Picture the founders meticulously curating flavors like a branding expert. Just as Bombay Brasserie has built a reputation for culinary excellence, you can build your personal brand by mixing your unique talents with a touch of innovation. So, as you savor your next meal, remember branding isn't just for businesses, it's about showcasing your unique flavor in everything you do.
Imagine stepping into a vibrant space. The air is filled with tantalizing aromas. Warm colors and intricate designs surround you. This is Bombay Brasserie, a restaurant that is more than just a place to eat. It's a journey for the senses. The restaurant is the brainchild of two extraordinary individuals, Anjan Chatterjee and Debashish Ghosh. Bombay Brasserie is not just about the food, it's about an experience. It's about the stories woven into every dish. It's about the passion that drives its founders. This is their story. Anjan Chatterjee is a man of many talents. He is a restaurateur, an entrepreneur, and a storyteller. His journey is a fascinating blend of culinary expertise and a deep understanding of human connections. His journey began with a deep love for food and a desire to share it. From a young age, Anjan was captivated by the aromas and flavors of traditional Indian cuisine, which he experienced in his family kitchen. Anjan believes that food has the power to connect people. He has always seen meals as more than just sustenance. They are opportunities for people to come together, share stories, and create lasting memories. He sees his restaurants as platforms to tell stories. Each dish, each ingredient, and each presentation is a chapter in the larger narrative of India's rich culinary heritage. These stories are about India's rich culinary heritage. Anjan meticulously curates his menus to reflect the diverse and vibrant flavors of India, ensuring that each dish tells a story of its own. Anjan's personal brand is built on authenticity and passion. He believes that the key to a successful restaurant is staying true to one's roots while continuously innovating and adapting to new trends. He is deeply involved in every aspect of his restaurants. From the sourcing of ingredients to the final presentation of the dishes, Anjan's touch is evident in every detail. From the menu to the ambiance, his vision is evident. Anjan carefully designs the interiors of his restaurants to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that complements the culinary experience. Anjan's warmth and charisma are infectious. He has a unique ability to make everyone feel at home, whether they are first-time visitors or regular patrons. He has a knack for making every guest feel like a welcomed guest in his home. Anjan's dedication to hospitality is evident in the way he interacts with his guests, always ensuring they have a memorable dining experience. Beyond the restaurant, Anjan also hosts cooking classes and culinary events, sharing his knowledge and passion with others. These events are not just about cooking, they are about building a community of food lovers who appreciate the art of storytelling through cuisine. Anjan has also authored several cookbooks, each one a treasure trove of recipes and stories from his culinary journey. His books are a testament to his love for food and his desire to share that love with the world. Over the years, Anjan has received numerous accolades for his contributions to the culinary world. His awards are a reflection of his dedication, hard work, and the impact he has made on the industry. Anjan is also a mentor to many young chefs, guiding them and inspiring them to pursue their dreams. He believes in nurturing talent and giving back to the community that has supported him throughout his career. Despite his busy schedule, Anjan always makes time for his family. He believes that the true essence of food lies in the joy of sharing it with loved ones. For Anjan, every meal is an opportunity to create cherished memories with his family and friends. Debashish Ghosh is the strategic mind behind Bombay Brasserie. With a keen eye for detail and an unwavering commitment to excellence, he has been instrumental in shaping the brand's identity. His journey in the world of marketing and brand development is nothing short of inspiring. He is a marketing maestro, known for his innovative approaches and out-of-the-box thinking. Debashish has a knack for identifying market trends and leveraging them to create compelling brand narratives. His ability to foresee market shifts and adapt strategies accordingly sets him apart in the industry. His expertise lies in creating brands that resonate with people. Debashish believes that a brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's an experience that should evoke emotions and create lasting memories. He works closely with his team to ensure that every campaign, every piece of content, and every customer interaction aligns with the brand's core message. Debashish understands the power of experience. He knows that in the hospitality industry, the ambiance, the service, and the overall dining experience are just as important as the food itself. He meticulously curates every element of the restaurant to ensure that guests have a memorable experience from the moment they walk in. He believes in crafting brands that engage all the senses. From the visual appeal of the dishes to the aroma that fills the air, every detail is thoughtfully designed to create a multi-sensory experience. Debashish collaborates with chefs, interior designers, and marketing experts to bring this vision to life. Debashish's personal brand is defined by his strategic thinking and creativity. He is not just a businessman, he is a visionary who sees opportunities where others see challenges. His ability to think creatively and strategically has been a driving force behind the success of Bombay Brasserie. He brings a unique blend of business acumen and artistic vision to the table. This combination allows him to create brands that are not only commercially successful, but also culturally significant. Debashish's work is a testament to the fact that business and art can coexist and thrive together. His ability to translate Anjan's vision into a successful brand is remarkable. Debashish works tirelessly to ensure that the brand stays true to its roots while also evolving with the times. His dedication to maintaining the integrity of the brand is evident in every aspect of Bombay Brasserie. Debashish ensures that every aspect of Bombay Brasserie reflects the brand's core values. From the decor to the menu, everything is designed to tell a story. His attention to detail and commitment to excellence have made Bombay Brasserie a beloved brand in the industry. Through his work, Debashish continues to inspire and set new standards in the world of marketing and brand development. The menu at Bombay Brasserie is a culinary adventure. It's a celebration of India's diverse regional cuisines. Anjan and Debashish believe in staying true to tradition. They use fresh, high-quality ingredients. The dishes are presented with a modern flair. The restaurant's ambiance is carefully curated. It reflects the vibrancy and warmth of Indian culture. The decor is a mix of traditional and contemporary elements. This creates a welcoming and sophisticated atmosphere. Section 5. Tradition meets modernity, a culinary tapestry woven with passion. In the heart of the city, where the old meets the new, lies a culinary gem that has captured the essence of India's rich heritage while embracing the innovations of contemporary cuisine. Bombay Brasserie represents the perfect marriage of tradition and modernity. Here, the chefs are not just cooks. They are artists who paint with flavors, blending the time-honored spices of India with cutting-edge culinary techniques from around the world. It's a testament to India's evolving culinary landscape. The open kitchen concept allows diners to witness the magic unfold as chefs meticulously craft each dish, ensuring that every plate is a masterpiece. The restaurant stays true to its roots. It also embraces innovation. The chefs take pride in reimagining traditional recipes, infusing them with a modern flair that surprises and delights the palate. This is evident in its menu. Each item tells a story, from the classic butter chicken that evokes memories of home-cooked meals to the avant-garde fusion dishes that push the boundaries of Indian cuisine. The menu features classic Indian dishes with a modern twist. Imagine savoring a traditional biryani, but with a hint of truffle oil, or enjoying a samosa filled with exotic ingredients like quinoa and avocado. The restaurant's commitment to quality is unwavering. Every ingredient is carefully selected, ensuring that only the freshest and finest make it to the table. The staff's attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the kitchen to the dining area. Anjan and Debashish personally oversee every aspect of the operation. Their hands-on approach ensures that the restaurant maintains its high standards and continues to innovate while staying true to its roots. This ensures that every guest has a memorable experience. The warm and inviting atmosphere, combined with the exceptional service, makes every visit to Bombay Brasserie a special occasion. Their passion for food and hospitality is evident in every detail. From the beautifully plated dishes to the personal greetings at the door, Anjan and Debashish's dedication to their craft shines through, creating a dining experience that is both unique and unforgettable. Section 6. Beyond the plate, impact and expansion of a culinary legacy. Bombay Brasserie has become more than just a restaurant. It's a cultural icon. It has helped popularize Indian cuisine globally. The restaurant has expanded to multiple locations. Each location stays true to the brand's core values. The restaurant has also received numerous accolades. These awards recognize its culinary excellence and exceptional service. Bombay Brasserie continues to set new standards in the hospitality industry. Section 7. The power of two, Anjan and Debashish, a winning combination. The success of Bombay Brasserie is a testament to the power of partnership. Anjan and Debashish complement each other perfectly. Anjan is the creative force. Debashish is the strategic mind. Together, they have created a brand that is both successful and impactful. Their shared passion for food and hospitality is evident in everything they do. Their story is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs everywhere. Section 8. A recipe for success, personal branding in the world of fine dining. Anjan and Debashish understand the importance of personal branding. They have built strong personal brands that are synonymous with quality and authenticity. Their personal brands have played a crucial role in the success of Bombay Brasserie. Their story highlights the significance of personal branding in today's competitive market. It shows how a strong personal brand can elevate a business. It can create a lasting legacy. Section 9. Inspiring the next generation. A legacy built on passion and innovation. Anjan and Debashish are not just building a restaurant empire. They are nurturing the next generation of culinary talent. They are passionate about mentoring young chefs and restaurateurs. Their story is an inspiration to anyone who dreams of making a mark in the culinary world. They show that with passion, hard work, and a clear vision, anything is possible. Section 10. Bombay Brasserie, a testament to dreams, determination, and deliciousness. Bombay Brasserie is more than just a restaurant. It's a testament to the power of dreams. It's a story of determination and a shared love for food. Anjan, Chatterjee, and Debashish Ghosh have created something truly special. Their story is an inspiration to us all. It reminds us that with passion, creativity, and hard work, we can turn our dreams into reality. And in the case of Bombay Brasserie, that reality is absolutely delicious.